Okay, so this took about an hour to get everything organized here. So what we got lights, turn signals. That's a project on its own. An ignition switch. That's another one that's got to get sorted out. Got my unfinished brake work here. Rear master cylinder's not mounted yet. I have the 3 speedometers in here. The original, the 83, and then just a parts one I got. This is switchgear, the old switchgear, and then headlights and headlight parts and the new switchgears in here. Here's your clutch perch, handlebar grips, and all the little stuff to put the handlebars back together. So next thing to do is to get the handlebars out and lay out the sizes and locations for the holes. Okay, laying out the holes for the handlebars. So they are exactly 6.0 Okay, this gets us to mock-up stage. This is about as far as we're getting today. As you can see, got headlight on. Pretty happy with that. Managed to find the right hardware here. The gauges, I just took the right set that came with the bike and put it up here. So it's installed, kind of. We're going to take it apart, clean everything up, and give it a good once over, pick the best parts. Show chrome on the headlight and the 4 gears. I was doing things a little crazy when I started on this, so got a little polishing to do on the aluminum. The fork legs, I polished those up back when I rebuilt the forks, but it's oxidized a bit, so we'll get some aluminum polish on that. Same thing with the fender, all the painted parts. That's going to be a different thing to take care of. But yeah, got some work done. Not as much as I wanted, but got some work done.